This is how you're going to withdraw money from cex.io to bank account. First, you're going to start with logging into your cex.io account, and then you're going to head over to your wallet section. So you're just going to click on this all products right here, or just beside the cex.io icon, and then from there, you're just going to hover your mouse over it and then click on the wallet section, and it will take you to this page. Now, once you're on this page, you're just going to have to click on withdraw from the top right of your screen right here. And then once you click on that, it will take you to this page wherein you will have to input what type of currency you want to withdraw. So you're just going to choose what type of currency you want to withdraw, and then you're also going to choose your destination. So the most important part here is the destination part, because we will have to select the bank account from here. So you can choose credit or debit card, your bank account, as well as this Skrill. So what you're going to do, I'm going to choose bank account, and then for the USD, for the euro, you can choose Swift, but if you are using the euros, you can also use SEPA. So for this one, I am going to use Swift to transfer USD. And then from there, we're just going to enter the amount, and then we're going to provide our bank details. So you just have to fill out all of these, such as your bank account number, your country, your city, your street, as well as your code. And that's it. Once you are done filling out all of these details, all you have to do is to click on continue. And then you're going to have to again enter your the amount that you want to withdraw, and then after that you're just going to confirm the transaction and then wait for the transaction to process. And that's it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos.